Hello everyone, welcome back to our peer automation. In today's video, we will simplify automation anywhere for you. In today's video, we will discuss the types of loops available in automation anywhere. By the end of this video, we will know when and how to use each of these loops. So let's get started. In automation anywhere, just we need to type in the action loop. Then we can see there are different types of commands available. So just drag and drop loops action here in the workspace, and you can see here iterator is present and while is present. So when we can use iterator and when we can use while uh, loop. So uh, loops are essential in automation when you need to repeat action until a condition is met. Automation anywhere provide three types of loop. So you can see here iterator, that means for each loop, while, that means this while loop, and it you must need to verify where is do while loop. So if you know already, just comment down where we can use do while loop. If you not able to give answer, then I will make a separate video on that. And also I'm going to tell you where we can use do while loop or use of do while loop in the end of this video. So let's understand these two actions for now. First, let's talk about for each loop. So we can use this action when you need to iterate through a collection like an array, a list, or a database. Like for each we can use like if you have a boundary values, then we can use iterator loop. Here, for example, imagine you have a list of file names and we want to open each file one by one. To achieve this, use use the for each loop and specify the list variable. It's simple and efficient for handling collections. Right. For this, we just need to select iterator, and here we just need to view our list variable. Then it will iterate one by one action, one by one our items available inside of list. Right. So if you have boundary values, then only we can use iterator loop. Then how we can use while loop? So let's understand while loop, where we can use and what is the use of that. Right. The while loop repeat a block of action as long as a specified condition remains true. Right. While loop we can use when you have a like a while loop is checking condition first. If the condition is true, it will run. Like that, while loop is working. So we can take, for example, for a while loop. Let's say you want to keep adding value to a variable until it exceeds a specific limit. The condition here would be continue looping while the variable is less than the limit. Then we can use while loop. Right. So now let's discuss the do while loop. So if you select this checkbox, so this is do while loop. Unlike the while loop and the do while loop always executes the action at least once if the condition is false initially. For example, imagine a process where a pop-up need to be handled and dismissed. Even if the pop-up isn't present, you want the bot to check at least once. That time we can use a do while loop. Like in the do while loop, it will go inside first if the condition is false. But when do are coming, you must pass uh, true condition as the second time, then it will run. So like that, we have the loop action in automation anywhere. So I hope you understand. If you found this video is helpful, or if you want to make a video on different types of automation anywhere question or interview questions, so comment down. I will try to solve these questions and make video on that questions. So in a short, we can use for each loop for if you have a boundary value for collections, or while loop for precondition check, or we can use do while loop for actions that must run at least once. So each loop has its unique purpose. So choose wisely based on your automation needs. So that is for today. Hope this gave you clear understanding of the different types of loops in automation anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RPA Automation, and hit the bell icon for more RPA tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, then comment down below, or if you want to discuss any topic or cover a specific topic, drop them in the comment below. See you in the next video.